today's lesson. Today we are going to discuss time, specifically the calendar. And in our discussion, we have got some previews that one needs to know. That is, for a calendar to be full, it must have days. So we shall be discussing the days, and calendar has got months. We shall be discussing also the months and then the years. So specifically, we shall be doing the counting of days and identifying the dates. One, you should know that a leap year, February, has got 29 days. In a leap year, February has got 29 days. And how do you identify a year that has got the leap year? It must be divisible. It must be divisible by 4. It must be divisible by 4. That is, you take a year, for instance, 2012. Then 2012, take the last 2 digits, divide them by 4. If they are perfectly dividing by 4, then you know that particular year is a leap year. For instance, if you take 2018, you take 18, if you divide by 4, it is 4, there is a remainder of 2. Therefore, that one is not a leap year. Then, you should also be aware of the number of days in each month. For instance, January has got 31, and February has got either 28 or 29, depending on the year, as it continues up to December, which has got 31. So how do you count that? We normally give a very simple scenario. You can use your fist. You fold your fist like this. Then you count the first one. High is 31, low is 30. As you continue, for example, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August. They follow each other with 2 highs, 31, 31. Then, as it continues up to December. Our first case, we shall be looking at counting dates. Counting dates. Counting dates. Counting dates. This is a scenario whereby one needs to know a particular date. For instance, you have been given like 15th January, you are told of 2012 was, they tell you it was Monday. Then the question asks, what will be the 13th, the 3rd of April, still the same year? When will that be? So for you to count a certain equation and get that particular date, the first step, you count days. How many days are from 12th to 3rd? So we shall get in January there, 31 minus 15, which will give us 16. February, since it's a leap year, we shall take 29. Then March shall be 31, and then April, it is up to 15. So no, 3rd. So we shall take 3. So you find the sum, it shall give you it is 79. Then after getting the number of days, then you divide them by 7. You divide them by 7. When you divide this one by 7, you get is 11 remainder 2. 11 remainder 2. So this 2 is the one we are interested in. So we shall count 2 days from Monday. We shall count 2 days from Monday. So 2 days from Monday is Tuesday, Wednesday. So our answer here should become Wednesday. Therefore, if you get a perfect answer here, for instance 70, and you divide it ends 10 and there is no remainder, the remainder is 0. So the answer is still the same day. The answer is still the same day. For instance, another question like KCP 2008. ACP 2008 question 50. They say December the 12th of 1999 was Sunday. So 12th December 1999 was Sunday. The question is asking us to find the following year, April 12th. So 12th April, which will be 2000, the following year will be which day? So for us to do this, we shall also get the number of days. So in December, we shall subtract that 1 minus 12, which will give us approximately 19 days. Then January, we know it shall be 31. February shall be, since it's a leap year, 29. Then March shall be 31. And then the April, it shall be 12 days. Then we find the sum of that, which shall be 122. Then we divide by 7. So we divide by 7, shall be 1 there, 7, subtract 5, will be down 2, 2 there, 7, 49, take away 3. So the remainder is 3. So we shall count 3 days from Sunday, that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Therefore, our answer here shall be Wednesday. Also in 2002, we had a similar question. KCP 2002, we had a similar question. So 2002, they asked question 31. They said how many, when, they said in a certain year, in a certain leap year, 16th February, in a certain leap year, 16th February was on Wednesday. Was on Wednesday. Then we asked, what will be the 1st of May the same year? What will be the 1st of May the same year? This was question 31 of 2002. So for us to find that, we should get how many days are there. Since they are told it was a certain leap year, we already know that February will be having 29 days. Therefore, we shall subtract February minus 16 should give us 13. Then March, we know is 31. April is 30. May shall be 1 day because it's 1st of May. Then when you find the sum of that, it shall give you 75. 75. Then when you find the square, when you divide by 7, it shall be 10 because of 70. Remainder 5. So we shall count 5 days from Wednesday. So it shall be Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Then the 5th day shall be Monday. 5th day shall be Monday. Therefore, our answer on that is Monday. Okay, the next part we are going to look at is counting nights. So how do you count nights? When you're counting nights, you will have to work out in some stages. That is, you need to take the months you have been given, subtract normally. That is, if it is January ending with 31 and you've been given date 5, just subtract January 31 minus 25, get 27, 26. Then the second part, if you have got other subsequent months here, just take their dates, then the days of the months, take their days the way they are, and the last months that you have been given in that particular question, you basically count, you take the date you have been given and then subtract from it 1. Subtract 1 from it. For instance, it is 4th take away 1 and we write 3 days. For example, if you look at this year's 2020 KCP prediction, the prediction question, KCPE question 6. When you look at question 6, they have said they have asked us how many nights. The question says John became ill on 16th of February 2016. John became ill on 16th of February 2016. This is Arabia. And he was admitted in hospital at Agagan the following day. If he was discharged on 13th of April the same year, 13th of April the same year, 2016, how many nights did he stay in hospital? So basically, we shall take February since it is a leap year, it's 29 days. Then take 29, subtract 16 normally, get 15. Then the second month after February is March. So that one for March, we should just take its days, 31. Then April, since it is on 13th, we shall subtract 1 and have 12. Then find the sum, which shall be when you add that, you're going to get, so this one was 13, you're going to get 6, 5, 56. So John was in hospital for 56 nights. Okay, the last part we want to look at is counting days. Counting days. And this one has the 2 parts. The first part is when they ask a question like counting the days between the days between the particular days. The days between the particular days. So when you're counting a certain equation, that one what you do, you eliminate the first date. That is the first month. The first month subtract normally. The first month you subtract normally. Then the subsequent months count their days. Count their days normally. Then the last month you remove the 1 day. You remove 1 day, just like nights. And the second part is when they say count from to. You count days from this date to this date. For example, let's look at the KCP question 2016. That is question 22, in which we were told that a dairy farmer sold milk from 8th December 2011 to 8th March 2012. How many days did the farmer sell the milk? So from 8th December 2011 to 8th March 2012. So we shall count the first one, we shall subtract normally, that is 31 minus 8. It gives us 20. Gives us 21, but in this case, gives us 23, but in this case we shall add plus 1 so that it becomes 24, because from the first day is inclusive. The first day is inclusive. We don't omit the first day. So after subtracting normally, getting 23, you say plus 1. Then you continue the other months normally, that is January, it's 31 days. In February, it shall be 29 because this was a leap year 2012. Then March, we shall count up to 8 because 8 also is inclusive because the question says from 2. So the first day is inclusive, so after subtracting, add 1. Then the last day is inclusive, you do not subtract, you just count plus the way it is. So when you add that, you're going to get 92 days. Another good example is the one we were given in 2014. That is question 32. They said that Kadogo was born on 14th. Kadogo was born on 14th January. 14th January, not 14th, 4th January 2009. And how old was he on 4th March? How old was he on 4th March 2011? So if you have the conceptual equation, we shall work with the years first. So the years we shall subtract, then get there were 2 years, then check the months. So it is from 4th January to 4th January of 2011 that it is 2 years. Therefore, from 4th January 2011 to 4th March 2011, we shall count how many days are present there. January is 31, so we shall just subtract 4 and have 27 days. February, it shall be 28 because it is not a leap year. Therefore, it shall be 28 days. March, we are given 4 days, therefore we shall add plus 4. So the sum of all these shall be 59. Then after that, those one for years were 2 years, and this one for days are 59. Therefore, our answer shall be 2 years and 59 days.